Today feels different. Something inside me feels warm. You've been very quiet this morning. Are you thinking about something special?
I've been thinking about it for a while. I really want to do it today.
That sounds important. Do you want to tell us more?
I've been keeping it a secret. I want it to be really special. Today is Valentine's Day. I wanted it to feel special for us. I was thinking about what love really means. I want to do something kind today.
We can help you.
We'll do it together.
Let's start with a list. I don't want to forget anything. First, we need a card. It should have a heart. What if I put a surprise inside?
That would be very sweet. Who is this surprise for?
I'll tell you later.
All right, we'll wait.
It's more fun that way.
We'll need paper and colors.
And a box to keep it safe. I want the heart to look nice.
Take your time.
The edges look really nice.
I try to be careful. I want the words to feel warm, like a hug. I think it looks nice now.
It really does.
It's ready now.
Then the waiting begins.
I feel a little nervous.
That means it matters.
It feels like the right moment.
Yes, it does. Please close your eyes. Just for a moment. You can open your eyes now.
Oh,
This is unexpected.
I made it with love.
oh my.
Do you see it?
You made this.
Just for you.
This isn't just for one person.
It's for our family.
My heart is melting.
That makes me happy.
This is the best Valentine's gift.
I love our family.
This is what love really is.
Being together. Love isn't about money. It's about caring.
And about time together.
That's the best gift.
Small gestures matter.
They show love.
You grew a little today.
I feel that.
Thank you for today.
I wanted it to be special.
We wanted to share this moment with you. Love can be very simple. You just have to show it.
We wish you a warm Valentine's Day with people you love.
Thank you for being with us. See you in the next story.